Hello guys, welcome to the software tips and tricks channel. If you are QA then you must follow this channel. I will upload more videos based on my experience and what I am learning. So currently we are learning that Puppeteer with JavaScript. I will add more videos on other technologies as well and software testing, some tips and tricks. So we will discuss here regarding all the software testing world. So don't miss to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Also, you can follow me social media for funny memes and some other stuffs. That links I have put it in the description. Okay, so let's start. So in with Puppeteer we have learned so many things till now. So you must have got some basic ideas how Puppeteer will work. So now let's learn today about the cookies. Yeah, not that sweet cookies that everyone loves, but that website cookies that we need to test. So testing cookie is very crucial thing for websites. There may be some security risk as well if you don't uh, test the cookie correctly. So some basic sanity we need to do on cookies regularly. So for this, our automation will play major role. So there, Puppeteer supports the uh, automating the cookies. Like you can set cookies using Puppeteer. So let's see like what all uh, Puppeteer give, what all option Puppeteers give. So let's go to our Puppeteer's documentation and check for cookies. So it allows page.cookies. We have one method. So using that method, you will get all the cookies which are set for that website. So you need to pass the URL, and for URL you can pass the multiple URLs as well. So for URLs you can pass array of the objects and you can get the cookies that were set for those URLs. So it will return, you need to pass the argument as URL and it will return this array of objects. Sorry, for URLs it's strings. So it's array of strings. You can pass multiple strings and now for it returns array of objects which has values like name, value, which domain it is set, path, when it will expire, size of that cookie, HTTP only, secure options, session and same site. So all this value you will get in the return. Other method we have is delete cookies. So whatever cookies we have set, we can delete those cookies. So this will also helpful like yeah, if yeah, you allowed to delete cookie from external or not, and you can check like if cookies getting deleted or not. And with like page.cookie it will return the cookie. So if you are setting cookies for some time period, then if it is session cookie or some other cookie, then you can verify like in what you can automate like after you can set cookie and after 30 second or whenever you are expiring it, you can run again the script and check like those cookies are expired or not. So one more method we have is set cookie. So for testing purpose you can also test the cookie. So for that you can provide this name, value, URL, domain, path, when you want to expire, HTTP only, secure, same parameters you can set the cookies for. And to set cookies you can pass the multiple objects. So you can create multiple set of cookies and you can pass that. So it will there is so much supported in automation for cookies in Puppeteer. So let's learn with our code like how we can set the cookies. So I am going to set for PayPal site. So first let's check what all cookies we have. So for that we have a method which we look first cookies. So we need to go to URL and now we can await page dot cookies and we need to pass the URL. So it will return all the cookies. To get that, let we have cookie set. So in that we will storing that. So it will you will get the all the cookies set for this URL in this cookie set if it already set anything. So let's print in the logs. So console.log. I think this cookie set will be not be in proper format. So we can format it using that JSON dot stringify. So those who are aware with JavaScript, will use that, or you can learn about that. Like it will return in the stringify that object into JSON format. So now let's try to run node cookies.js. So these are the cookies which are already set. So you can see node cookies.js is underscore gid and all the cookies are set for this site. Now let's try creating our cookie and set it in this URL. So to set cookie we have this page.set cookie. So first we need to create one object. So first cookie equal to, so let's give all the properties. Uh, so it requires this name and value are required fields, so we must give that, and other things are optional. So let's give it name. So this is my like test automation cookie, so we can find that, and the name and other parameter was value. So let's give some value. I am giving my dummy email ID, sorry, not my software@gmail.com, and then let's give some other parameters as well. We have domain. URL we already know, so we can give domain like .paypal go, and we can set HTTP only as true, and it's secure, yes. So we have given this. Now let's try to set it after opening the page URL. Await page dot set cookie. We need to pass the what cookie we have created. Okay, now let's try to run that. So we have getting some error, protocol invalid parameter field, cookies HTTP only. Okay, so I have passed it as a string, that's true value. That is my mistake. Don't create such mistakes. It will very hard to debug, especially in JavaScript. So let's run it again now. Yeah, so we are getting that list of cookies. So here is let's find like where our cookie got set or not. That our cookie name is test automation cookie. So it is there like here it is test automation cookie. So this is set. So here like you can pass multiple cookies as well. So for that you can create the array of that objects and create multiple cookies and pass. So I can pass other cookie as well. I am copying this. So I am giving this to 2 and software2.gmail.com and other parameters are same. So to run that I have this is object, so I have to array need I have to pass. Like, let me clear that so we can have better. So now let's check again. We should have now two cookies. See, we are getting two cookies. One is here and one is here. So this way we can set multiple cookies. So let's try now deleting those cookies what have we have created. So let's await page dot delete cookie, and we have to pass this cookies array we have created, and let's print those again. So I think I have made some mistake. Oh, it is already declared. So I am while learning we all do this kind of mistake, so accept it and try to figure out as early as possible so we don't waste much time there. So now like it is hard to specify like I am getting let me put something to break the line between these two logs. Yeah, I am very fond of copy pasting the things. So now uh, this is crazy idea I got. Let's see if it is works. Yeah, so we are getting this. So in upper part we should get this cookies. Okay, we are getting this. And in lower part it should not be there. So this is the part. So it is not there. It's last there in up only. So we are not getting that. So those are get deleted. So this is how you can set the cookies, get the cookies and delete the cookies using Puppeteer. Thanks for watching guys. If you have learned something new, please comment. If you have any queries, any doubts, comment out in YouTube or social media. Also, you can tell me like where you use these cookies and how you test cookies in your organization or for your projects. Thank you.